Zhengzhou Audley Digital Control Equipments Company Limited was founded in 2008. It is located in Zhengzhou City, the center of China. The related factory is Henan Audley Digital Technology Company Limited, professional manufacturer of advertising equipments, which integrated research, development, production and sales together. From 2008 to 2018, Audley has dedicated to advertising equipment for 10 years. Its main products including laminator, UV printer, digital foil stamping machine, and Eco Solvent Printer. These machines enable Audley to obtain a qualified, stable, and convenient operation reputation both at home and abroad. There are 100 agents in different provinces and cities in China and abroad, which can provide convenient technical support, routine maintenance, and after-sales service. Yearly output of Audley is up to 6,000 sets. With the economic and technical strength, Audley Company fully committed to promote the development of advertising industry. The new products are emerging in endlessly for new height. As targeting to be professional advertising equipment supplier in China, Audley has broken through many technical problems in printing industry. At the same side, Audley also consider environmental art. Therefore, Audley machines are eco-friendly, fast, and effective products. Audley would like to share business and success to customers all over the world. We are sure one day, where is a need of advertising equipment, there is Audley.
Hello, my name is Han, Audley manager. Now we are looking for global agents. Welcome to Audley.
Inkjet printer, UV printer, laminator,